All right, so check this out. I got the Hitek tent today. This box came with candy. I guess it's Happy Candy Halloween stuff. I've never got that ever before, and that's pretty cool. And this is my first ever order of Hitek film, and it looks like I got some cool stuff in here. This may be a pouch, I'm guessing, or a banner. Oh, a towel, okay, yeah. And this is a little claw. Wow. A lanyard, Hitek lanyard. And, oh, now that is a red dot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Haven't seen that before. That's completely new. That's something I've never seen. So yeah, I got this Hitek film, and I'm gonna review this. So stay tuned for this one. Oh, I got a little mini tool over here. Yeah, I'm gonna review this film.